and a friend of mine that the hours we spent in DCI, Mr. Speaker, I can assure you, and you will read it from the the report we shall file, the National Forensic Laboratory that is under the Directorate of Criminal Investigation has been frustrated beyond even performance by the very people who are sponsoring this negativity, because they know the bombshells we are going to lay on this house. And Mr. Speaker, they know. That's why they are sponsoring negative articles to divert attention. But Mr. Speaker, tell them and tell the executive arm of government that no matter how hard they try to hide, we shall expose them for who they are, for how they failed the people of Kenya. And it doesn't matter whether you send the government whip here or you send whoever, we shall expose you. And that report, Mr. Speaker, is going to change the way things operate. We are saying this, Mr. Speaker. We are saying that if it is good for the country to know what is happening in DCI, what is happening where alleged graves are, what is happening in the District Security Committee of Kilifi, Mr. Speaker, and it will cost us nothing but time, and then we have to come back and make our claims. Mr. Speaker, even today, we will go. In fact, yesterday, Mr. Speaker, we had summoned Mackenzie himself to come before the committee. And this committee, Mr. Speaker, we had no budget to go. No budget to go. But what we had, Senator, we were asking, Mr. Speaker, just I'm concluding, Mr. Speaker.
I'll give you more time if I don't conclude.
Yes.
Senator Mungatana.
Yes, my lord.
I can see you veering off the point of order that has been raised. Senator Boni raised a point of order based on our own standing orders. And one of the things he said is,